আমি Devaki Basu from Boutique D Design Kolkata have come again with another video today. Today I will go to show you some beautiful Bengal cotton sarees, mix and match sarees. It is hand embroidery with hand applique and all together. Unique pieces saree. I will showcasing with you. Hope you will enjoy today's episode. Booking number is on screen is there 9163860633, and our store location is 51/1 Jodunathukil Road, Poschim Putiari, Kolkata 41 near Netaji Metro Station. It's Toliganj Kudghat, very near to Kudghat Metro Station, and our store timing is Monday to Saturday from 12 noon to at night 8 p.m. And now our store, we are going on a Fatafati Choitro sale, where you will get up to 40% discount, in our all product. Sari, kurti, blouses and dress material. So minimum of 10% to up to 40% discount, and you will get for the gents kurtas, you have a flat 50% discount till 15th April. So hurry up for your booking. So let's start today's episode. Hope you will enjoy today's episode. If you like my today's episode, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So first saree, beautiful piece. It's a red color saree, which is in Bengal cotton, of course. The very unique one, because this is a first half of the saree. With the patchwork. The patti design. We have used this kind of patti, yellow and blue wedge printed material we have used for this saree, in the border, lower yoke as well as the upper yoke border. And in between, this kind of buttas we have made with applique, machine applique, and some embroidery, small embroidery. But this is the first half of the saree. And the second half, the pleat portion comes like this way. This is a pleat portion, which is in printed, scripted material, cotton, of course, cotton printed material, which is in script design. And lower yoke also we have continued with that like patti design. So this is a pleat part, and also with blouse piece, of course. This is a blouse piece. In blouses sleeves, this kind of border you will get it. So this is the first one. For the pricing offer, you have to watch till end. So next one, this is another beautiful cross color tone hand weave Bengal cotton saree, and which is in yellow and maroon cross color tone, Bengal cotton saree. And this is a one. See, this is a pure hand applique we have used for this saree. We have a hand applique and hand stitches also, and both color, the maroon and green wedge printed material, cotton material we have used for this patti and for the applique. So these are the applique which is in hand applique and hand work. This mirror work is a hand work. So entire saree goes like this way, and this is the upper yoke part. Comes like this way. Okay. And this is a very lightweight saree for the regular wear purpose, for your work wear purpose. This kind of saree you can think over it. And these are the sarees, unique piece and single piece sarees for our own production saree. So this is a pleat part. So pleat part also comes like this way, and this is a blouse piece with this saree we have done. In blouse sleeves, this kind of border we have attached with this saree. Okay, beautiful piece. Till 15th April you will get this offer up to 40% discount. So hurry up, and this is our next one. Beautiful butter yellow color tone, very light color tone and eye soothing color tone. And see, this is also in a applique and the hand embroidery. Uh, this is we have used a kalamkari cotton for this applique and uh, this hand work. This is a Kutch work, hand work, pure hand work, hand embroidery sari with the applique. Okay, this is a palla part. This is a palla part, comes like this way. Okay, and the upper yoke and the lower yoke, entire body comes like this. Beautiful piece with a unique sari and maroon and green combination with on a lime yellow color. This is a pleat part of the sari, and with this sari, this is a blouse piece we have provide with this sari, matching blouse piece with this sari. Okay, so for this sari you will have to WhatsApp me at 9163860633 number. This is again another beautiful piece, and this is also hand weave Bengal cotton, and these saris are very comfortable for summer. Without cotton, summer is not complete. And this is our next one. This is a cotton zari checks taat sari, Bengal cotton. Inside this kind of sleek checks, zari checks are there. On that we have created this is a border with the applique we have did. I mean the patti we have used. On that also hand embroidery is there, katha embroidery is there, and in between this is a our one wedge printed material we have, and that we have used in like this way. So entire sari, and in between this is also handwork. This is also the handwork. This is a mirror buttas are there in the handwork. This is a palla, and this portion is comes like palla, and this is a entire sari comes like this way, body part, and this is a pleat part. This is a entire pleat part. This is all pure hand applique sari with the hand embroidery. On that we provide blouse piece. For blouse piece, this is this maroon is your body material, and this printed is a printed one is your sleeves. On that also hand embroidery we have created. So very unique cotton sari you will get only at Boutique D Design in Kolkata. So now next one. This is also pure Bengal cotton, and these are all very lightweight sari, and definitely you have to wash it dry clean because for the embroidery one thing. So this is the next one. Also you can do a home wash, hand wash with liquid soap also in home. So first time we would suggest for the go for the dry clean. So next one, this is also pure Bengal cotton with the two sari we have used for this. One is this yellow checks, and another is a plain yellow sari. So where we are cut this sari and rejoin this sari in the panel, like panel way, and on that we have created this embroidery, fish motif embroidery we have created, and all over sari this red border we have attached. Okay, so entire sari comes like this way. This is a body part, and pleat part also the same we have continued. And this is the matching blouse piece where this is your sleeves, and sleeves you will get this kind of embroidery, fish embroidery. Okay, now next one. This is again one beautiful and unique sari from Boutique D Design. So those who fond of cotton sari, so please get in touch with us. So hope you will get your choiceable cotton sari and the unique cotton sari. So this is the next one. See, this is a Bengal cotton sari with the khesh weave. Khesh is again the cotton material where by hand weaving this kind of comes within weaving actually. On that we have created a machine embroidery, this fish motif again with red and yellow color combination, and both side border we have created. In the red border we have created. So this is a palla portion, and this is the upper yoke part. This is the upper yoke part, comes like this, and this is a lower yoke. This is a lower yoke, and this is a blouse piece with this sari. This is a blouse piece with this sari. Okay, red 1 meter cotton blouse piece with this sari. So hope you will enjoy today's episode. All are very unique sari, and these saris you will get up to 40% discount. And today's all saris price range is actual price range is 2450, 2650 like that. But now till 15th April you will get only at 1950. Today's episode all sari you will get it only rupees 1950, 1950 rupees only, including your courier charge and GST all over India. Courier charge, this is absolutely free of cost. Only within Kolkata we have a cash on delivery services, which is an extra charges of 100 to 200 rupees. And our store timing is Monday to Saturday from 12 noon to 8:39 p.m. we are open till 15th April. So hurry up, and for booking just 1916386063 number, just WhatsApp me, or you can call me at this number. So today this much. If you like my today's episode, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the details are in descriptions box, so you can check it out from there. Till then,